To automate Robinhood trading, you will need to use a programming language like Python and an application programming interface or API. The first step is to create a Robinhood account and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Next, you will need to obtain your API keys from Robinhood, which can be found in the account settings. With your API keys, you can use the Robinhood API to access your account information, place trades, and retrieve market data. However, Robinhood does not provide an official API, so you will need to use a third-party library like Robin Stocks or Alpaca API. These libraries provide a simple and intuitive way to interact with the Robinhood API. To start automating your trades, you will need to define your trading strategy, which can be based on technical indicators, fundamental analysis, or other market data. You can use libraries like Pandas and NumPy to analyze the market data and make trading decisions. For example, you can use a moving average crossover strategy, where you buy a stock when the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average. Once you have defined your trading strategy, you can use the Robinhood API to place trades automatically. You can use a scheduling library like Schedule to run your trading script at regular intervals, such as every hour or every day. You can also use a library like Logging to log your trades and monitor your performance. It is essential to note that automating your trades carries significant risks, including the risk of significant losses. You should thoroughly backtest your trading strategy before deploying it in a live environment. You should also monitor your trades closely and adjust your strategy as needed. In conclusion, automating Robinhood trading requires a combination of programming skills, knowledge of the Robinhood API, and a well-defined trading strategy. By following these steps and using the right libraries and tools, you can create a powerful automated trading system that helps you achieve your investment goals.